So we all know that Apple's been dominating the tech industry with its phones, computers, headphones, and smartwatches. Despite the criticism and the controversy that the company has faced over the years, it still manages to be one of the biggest, with a record high sales of $366 billion in the year 2021. Now, I've never really been interested in owning a smartwatch, since I've always preferred the classic Casio watch or the occasional Rolex to go out on the weekends. However, recently I've noticed that I've put on some weight, so I've been in the market of buying a smartwatch to help motivate me in being more active throughout the day. I figured I'd just get the Apple Watch since I already own an iPhone, and I might as well be part of the Apple ecosystem.
The ecosystem. The ecosystem.
Earlier this morning, I had just finished watching my favorite anime when I realized that we're only a few days away from Thanksgiving, which means Black Friday deals are back. I looked up an Apple Watch on the interwebs, and sure enough, I found some pretty good deals. I'll leave some purchase links in the description below if you're interested. Me personally, I bought the Apple Watch SE through Best Buy, and I was able to pick it up today. Now, to be completely honest, I don't know jack shit about the Apple Watch, but I figured I'd still make a video about it and share my thoughts. I picked up the Apple Watch SE GPS version, and I got it in the 44mm size, which is the biggest size that they offer. I also got it in the space gray color because I thought it looked the best out of all the colors. I also got the block bond, which again looks the best in my opinion. Now, I won't go over all the quirks and features that the Apple Watch SE has, but some important things to note is that it comes with 32GB of storage, it's water resistant for up to 50 meters, and has a S5 SIP with a 64-bit cool with the 64 dual core processor. You'll have to download the Apple Watch app on your phone in order to set it up, but I won't be doing that in this video since this is just a quick unboxing. Here's how it looks on my wrist. It's pretty nice, and overall I'm happy with the purchase. Let me know if you want me to make a follow-up video with my experience with it, especially if you're interested in the fitness side of things, which is mostly what I plan on using it for. That's pretty much it. Alright, see ya.